Hi everyone. I am reviewing the Collars&co 100% Pebble Grain leather loafer, and I'm wearing my sunglasses and a beanie inside my room because it's early in the morning for me, and this is my first review, and it's an unboxing review. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not even sure what to expect here. So the last thing you want to do is see a tired version of myself providing a review and having you have to focus on my eye bags and everything else, right? So anyway, this is an unboxing event of what I can't find anywhere on the internet, which is a Collars&co review of this 100% Pebble Grain brown leather loafer, let alone any of their loafers. I find everything on Allen Edmonds, Thursday, Boots, let's see, Quince. I don't know if Quince actually has a review out there that I really didn't search for one, but I did purchase a few of these loafers recently, and I could not find the perfect pair that complements, really that perfect blend of wearing it with jeans and or, formal dress wear or whatnot. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. It's maybe the first one that you're going to find, or the OG version online of this review. Okay, I'll take it away. Okay, so here's the unboxing. Comes in this nice box. Keep this aside. I ordered them in a 9.5. I normally wear a 10.5. They said to order a whole size down. 10.5 in sneakers. Usually when I get dress shoes, I size about a half size down to a 10, just to allow the leather to stretch. And my foot usually fits in a 10 in dress shoes, but these 9.5s are gonna be an interesting test. Okay, here we go. All right. So far, wow, they're beautiful. They're super soft. You can see, and sorry for the camera work here. This is my first video here. Yeah, really soft leather. Let me take this out. Beautiful. Wow. That comfort itself right now is pretty darn good. Let me get my shoehorn. Okay. Fits like a glove. 9.5 is perfect. Super glad I didn't go for the 10, or especially 10.5. All right, yeah, the lighting's not the best. Again, apologize, but here you go. These are a beautiful almond toe, not too pointy, not too round. I think it's a perfect style. Yeah, keeping these really comfortable right off the cut. I mean, they feel like they've been broken in for a while, right out of the box. All right, so there you have it. Collars&co, brown, 100% Pebble leather penny loafers. So far, pretty darn impressive. Thanks, bye.